I hope you enjoy the video and be sure to use code Chevy in the item shop before purchasing any cosmetic items.
What's good, guys? It's your boy Siobhan here, back with a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you the OG style for the Nvidia skin, and basically every purchase in like GPU or stuff like that that you really needed to purchase to get the skin, you get the OG style, and this is how it looks. I think it looks pretty sick. So it says here's a variant of the counter attack set for purchasing the GeForce Fortnite bundle. So you get that with this bat bling. You get the glider with the stealth pivot, and you get the stealth angular pickaxe. Oh, cool. We also have the Save the World gliders and the pickaxe for the Rose team leader, I think. Yeah, I think that's it. And what else is this? I don't know what that is, but that's, you have earned the fun rewards. Stay 3 links, no ponytail. I don't know what that is, but we're focusing on the Nvidia bundle right now. So I'm gonna turn my skins off random. And oh, I think it would be a selected style. So this is the Reflex. So oh, it's a whole new skin. That's crazy. It's a whole new skin. Alright. So I'm gonna put the bat bling on as well. Right here. Wait, where is it? Oh, right here. I have to put this on and this. Alright, we're gonna go into creative just to show you guys how it looks. Why does stretch look like this? What the hell? I don't know why stretch look like this. Epic bugging. What the hell? They messed up my video. I can't restart the video. It's not gonna be original. I'm gonna be faking it. So yeah, this is the skin, the glider. Oh, it matches my hometown, bro. Use code Chevy in the item shop, y'all. Use code Chevy in the item shop. So yeah, the pickaxe sounds nice. Looks nice. Am I the fastest editor? I'm just playing. I just came on. Literally. Yeah, I'm ass right now. But yes, guys. I'm definitely going back to native. Epic done messed up. But yeah, this is the skin and everything. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a like if you're new, subscribe. We just hit that 1,000 subscribers like 3 days ago. But yeah, see y'all in the next video or my next live stream custom games. If you wanna play, subscribe. And every Friday we do live customs with subscribers. So yeah, peace.